Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome to the channel of Xeno and Neza. Now I'm going to be playing a game called Suits, a business RPG. Now I'm pretty sure this is an RPG Maker game. However, I did not know this until now. So I'm going to be playing this. Let's apply now. Let's see what happens. I haven't played any other RPG game yet, or RPG Maker games yet. I mean, I've made one with my brother, which at the moment is the only one that is kind of stable at the moment. Few glitches here and there, but anyway, let's crack on. Right, welcome to Suit City Business School. Since corporations control our government, I'm joking, government, I know, and society, it's business or bust. Right, now please provide us with your name so we can make your name tag and get you out into business world where you get to work for the rest of your life. Press X to backspace space to select. Right, X to backspace space. Okay, I'm gonna put Xeno. I hate to do this to you, Xeno. That's an odd name, but whoever floats your boat. I know it's an odd name. I don't care. Make sure you pass this course. Alright, cool. If you fail, the suits will have you sent to the factory fields to work the assembly lines. Damn. Hello Xeno, welcome to your training course. So you may or may not know how to walk. Up, down, left and right. Am I right? Some suits have been fully cooked, so we have to show them how to fall in line. Right. Use the arrow keys, move towards the exit. Told you. Mr. Toots, congratulations, you can walk. Yay! I can learn how to walk. Whatever. Now you are ready for the next lesson. I already know how to walk. Everyone should know how to do that. Well, then again, you know, if you're new to PC, then that's different. Whatever. Walk over to me and press the action key. The action key is space or enter. I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to have a look at the clock. This is a nice clock. Yeah, you did it. Go talk to your fellow classmates to see what they have to say. Is this my fellow classmate? Jesus Christ. Will you be my daddy? That's actually got the options in as well. So I'm just going to turn all these down. So I don't know if you can hear me or not. Right, okay. What the hell? This paper hat is for you. And equip the hat. So equipment, yep. Cheap briefcase. Oh wow. This game is hilarious. I did just talk to my classmates. Now what do I do now? Or is it in the next room? No, they're just panned in by the door. You found a sandwich. This game is really funny. I keep hearing strange noises coming from that cracked door. It's the teacher's office. The door is locked. Because I wonder what they're doing. The finest jokes are told here. But that's what I just did. I interacted with the freaking crate. It's empty. Mr. Nobs, or Noobs, I've been trying to dig my way out of this secret room for 15 cycles. Over 15 cycles? Right. Hey, how did you get in here? Well, I'm glad you are here. My stapler has been acting up. Do you think you can take a look at it? No. You attack the stapler and it dodges. Tech. This is hilarious. Oh wow. You attack a stapler. Wow, that is actually clever tech points. TP recharges as you battle. Alright, that's cool. Others use FU, fuel points. FU can only be refilled by drinking plenty of water. Now you are ready to graduate. Oh! It's not the financial district, no, the supremacy here of the entire city, or the CEO. He has ordered us to recall this cycle's batch of school children. You might not want to watch this. What? You know how it is, it's just business. Oh wow. Congratulations, there's an complimentary water bottle. Guys, will just take it out of your next paycheck. Oh, thank you. There's not even free, for God's sake. Okay. Don't know if that's a glitch or whatever, but anyway. I should pick up the phone. Oh, there! I bet you graduated from business school at the top of your class. Job opening up. Looks like you've just been filled by you. Head over to the office district. Meet me on the 14th floor to receive your first task. Oh, before I go, I should tell you, you can use these phones to save your progress. Right. This game looks pretty cool. It's funny as well. The only problem is office, food, media. I think it's food, office, sorry. Office district. Keep your nose down, profits up, and your pennies on the horizon. Right, so I'm wondering, you know, since I'm playing this, I don't know if there's any second endings, or should I say variations of endings and bits like that. So I've got to go on the 14th floor. Do I need to go this way? Oh my job, what is that? Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna toss my case at you. Bad for the environment. Wow. I suppose I better do that. Yes, I would like to save. Save over that. Do you think you can burn these papers for me? Great, here. Right, so I've got to find the boiler room. Okay. It's not here. Just walk in. Oh, someone's dead on the floor. Oh, never mind. Just walk all over their body. You know how it is. Oh, for God's sake, that is so funny. And weird. Oh wow. It's got a sense of humour. Yeah, that bit was a bit laggy. But, you know, I don't expect an awful lot from a game. I don't expect, you know, it to be the best thing in the world. But, pretty good job, I'd say. It's freaking brilliant. Look at this guy. Hey kid, good to finally meet you. I've got your first assignment. It's fairly simple, but don't be overconfident. I've seen too many good salesmen retire early because they underestimated their customers. Right. From what we know, the target is located in housing area 42A and on the 52nd floor. Right, so 42A, 52nd floor. We've got an informant waiting there. He'll point you in the right direction. Now go make the sale. I'm not paying you to stand around. Alright, cool. So Xeno has got to. Right, 52nd floor. Yeah. The criminal has locked herself inside of her house. I hear the key that couldn't unlock the door, but it's down in the basement. Be careful if it rings about. I have not. I don't even know where the basement is. But, yeah, you can walk over this guy. Where the fuck is the basement? That's my thing. Where the fuck is the basement? I seriously don't even know where the basement is. I mean, the drawings are pretty cool. I mean, especially for this game, it does suit, like, the actual game. It's really cool. Everything is interactive, you know. Obviously, I didn't go through it, damn it. But, I will be uploading this hopefully soon. Damn it, man. This means I can never see my family again, but they say I get a new clock. Yeah, can you show me the way to the basement? I might actually be an idiot myself, and I might have just walked past it. But, you know. These devs must be handicapped. See what happens when you put that there. Wow. They really do know how to make RPG Maker really good. Like, make it with their own resources, do everything on their own. It's simple, but it works. That's the thing. Now, I've just seen that. Jesus Christ. That's what I mean. But I'd say it's a really good game at the moment. I will be doing more series on this hopefully. But it's just like trying to find my way around it. And once I've found my way around it, oh, I found $100. Cheers, mate, for your $100. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this series right here. It's very good. It's very good, especially with the way everything is. It might be basic, but it works at the end of the day. And another thing as well, I mean, it's not just that it works, it's just the storyline. I mean, not just the storyline, but the dialogue is so funny. You know, they've actually put this guy, I don't know if he's doing it on his own or if he's got a bunch of people working with him. It's actually worked pretty well. I mean, despite all, you know, well, I don't know if there's minor glitches. I mean, there is one room that was quite laggy, but it might be me. Let me just double check. So if I go into the bike shop, yeah, it's a bit laggy, but at the end of the day, it's better than nothing. It's a game, nonetheless. Still works and still pretty much does what you want a game to. It's got quite a few positive. It's got a lot of positive reviews on the site itself. I mean, on Steam itself. I'm not putting this in full view. I mean, full screen, for the simple fact that I do like a small screen every now and then. It just helps my eyesight a bit more, especially with my migraines and bits. So yeah, it works, and you know. Anyway, thanks for that, guys. Thanks for watching this. And if you like this, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're new. And hopefully I'll have more content coming out today, tomorrow or Sunday. Hopefully I'll have everything done, ready to release, and you know, good to go. So apart from that, have a good one.